The forest. In many ways, we depend on it. From the air we breathe to the materials we build our houses with. But what exactly does it take to make a door out of the tree that was standing there before? What does it take to build houses that are good for nature and better for people? What if our deep ties with nature inspired us to handle traditional material in new ways? What if better procedures were developed and we invested in new technology? What if several companies worked together to come up with the best solutions? What if efficient processes and flow of goods saved us a lot of time? Time spent on more innovation and development to see the company in a new light so that we can continue to create, build and care. What if there was a thought behind every detail, every routine, every tool, every bit of packaging and every product? What if you stopped making the same product as everyone else? Would you manage to develop something that works better? What if toxic additives were dropped and chose local raw materials? Could renewable raw materials give back to the climate and still create profitable production? And how would profitability be affected if the flow of goods was secured, measured and tracked? Imagine if what was cheaper was what lasted longer, and if quality was for everyone, not just the wealthy. What if you made more of less, thought differently, and produced products made from leftover and recyclable materials? What if this curious attitude led to new jobs, better products, and results in some of the largest factories in the Nordic region? What if we celebrated our differences and encouraged everyone to do what they love? Because without every employee, we would not be where we are today. Makers make, and great quality is created. Throughout the evening, the night, and the next day again, pure, locally sourced ingredients are transformed into solid and sustainable building materials, from craftsmanship to creation, through automation to perfection, mixed, pressed, dried, cut, painted, and packed. Every day, all year round. From the Norwegian nature, for the Nordic climate. In harmony with nature, people and artificial intelligence, several processes have been streamlined so we can focus on what matters most. Better rooms for better life. Better outdoor climate for better indoor climate. From a local forest for a house where you want to live. In a home where everyone flourishes.